In this tutorial, we're going to be solving another exercise about congruent triangles. In the diagram below, show that KL is equal to ML. Now taking a look at these two triangles that we have in this diagram right here. At first, we can see that it is given that JM is equal to JK. And we're required to prove KL equal to ML. And so in such case, let's prove both triangles congruent, starting with the common sides and the equal sides. In the two triangles, JML and JKL, we have JM equal to JK as given. Another thing, the angles JML and JKL are equal to 90 degrees, and that is also given. We also have a common side, JL, and so JL, hypotenuse, a common hypotenuse facing the right angles in both triangles. Now, we have actually proven these two triangles to be congruent by right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Now, let's write that down and take a look at KL and ML. Now, to prove, we shall say the two triangles JML and JKL are congruent by RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Now to prove both sides KL and ML equal, if we consider both congruent triangles, if JM is equal to JK and JL is common, then ML is equal to KL. And that is, of course, corresponding sides in congruent triangles. So we write KL equal ML, corresponding sides in congruent triangles.